Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Waterhouse will be looking to cut the gap on defending champions and league leaders Portmore United to 2 points when they take on UWIFC in the Monday night fixture in the Red Stripe Premier League this evening at Drewsland. Now our commentator, Renato Brown, joins us with a preview.
Thanks, Jordan. Well, for one of these teams, the top 6 is already secured. For the other, not so much. It is Waterhouse up against UWIFC tonight on the Monday night fixture. And I have with me the coach of the home team, Waterhouse, well, the assistant coach of Waterhouse, Daniel Bentwell. Daniel, this is the 5th straight week that Waterhouse is featuring in Monday night. Last week you were in the jungle and got a 1-0 win. Tonight, how do you fare against UWI?
I think tonight's match has the potential to be another classic game. After us coming from the jungle, we are now at our home base in Waterhouse, and I think tonight's match is going to be a good one. UWI is a team that they may not be performing at their best in other games, but when they come up against a Waterhouse team that is rampant to win and they get everything on hand, they definitely put out their best in this match, and we are very much prepared for it. And it all comes down to decision making in the final third for us, and that's what we have been preaching to our players on the training pitch, and it should be a good one.
All the best, coach.
Yeah, thank you.
I turn now to Andrew Peart, the coach of UWIFC. Now, Waterhouse, their spot in the top 6 already secured. A win for Arnett Gardens yesterday, a win for Tivoli Gardens yesterday. Puts pressure on you, doesn't it, coming into this game?
No pressure unusual to what we have been putting ourselves throughout the season. And this is just another game for us, another game that we want to come out and execute and try to accumulate some points in our hunt for top 6 position.
Yeah, is it harder to play Waterhouse here at Drewsland? I know there's a home and away situation. How difficult is it playing them here?
Not sure, because to be fair, or to be honest, over the 4 seasons we have been in the league, we have only come here to play about 4 times. So not so much of a history of us coming here. But wherever we have to play, and we have to make our quality show.
All the best, coach.
Thank you very much.
All right, you heard there from the coach of UWIFC, Andrew Peart. So it is Waterhouse up against the UWIFC. We start here at 8:35. Join us then, but for now it's back.